enhancing curb appeal for a memorable first impression.
They say you never get a second chance to make a first impression, and when it comes to your home, curb appeal is everything. Enhancing your home's exterior is one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to add value. Start by tidying up the landscaping. Trim bushes, mow the lawn, and plant colorful flowers to create a welcoming vibe. A fresh coat of paint on the front door can work wonders. Bold colors like navy blue, red, or black can make your entryway pop and give your home a personality. Don't forget about updating house numbers, mailboxes, and lighting fixtures to match the overall aesthetic. These details might seem small, but they create a cohesive and polished look that buyers notice. Your driveway and walkway also play a big role in curb appeal. Repair any cracks or stains and consider adding pavers or decorative stones for an upscale touch. If your home has a porch, make it inviting with a cozy seating area, outdoor rugs, or even some hanging plants. Lighting is key. Installing solar-powered pathway lights or a statement porch light can add both safety and style. The exterior of your home sets the tone for what's inside. Investing in curb appeal not only makes your home more attractive but also signals to potential buyers that the property is well maintained. It's a win-win that pays off whether you're selling or staying.